Take two. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So in today's video, we are going to talk about some beginners makeup essentials that everybody who's starting off with makeup or who is new to makeup but really love playing with it, they should have in their makeup kit. All these products are under 1000 rupees. I also have some of the best makeup products which are a little on the high end side, but I also have an alternative for those as well. So I thought if we're talking about beginners makeup kit, might as well put all the essentials in a makeup kit. So I have this very sequin glittery blingy makeup kit right here with me. Without wasting any more time, let's begin. First things first, we have a primer here. It is the Colorbar Perfect Match Primer. This is the one primer that I've been using ever since I've started doing makeup. This primer smoothens out your skin and gives you a nice base to start your makeup with. It is a matte primer and it has a really nice texture. It just blurs out your skin and close all the pores so that you have a very clear skin and very fresh looking base to start your makeup with. It is very affordable, it is very pocket friendly, and it will last you for about I think 1.5 to 2 years. So being a drugstore product and also lasting so long is always a win-win. Next up we have another product from Colorbar. It is the Aquafil Pro Foundation. This one I found out very randomly while I was searching for a foundation for myself. I was already using the Sephora Perfection Foundation, which is a little on the higher end range. But I just randomly stumbled upon this foundation while checking other products out. So I tried this on and I really wanted to buy something for my mom because she really wanted a new foundation and I thought, wait, just I'll buy it for you. My mom really loves this foundation and so do I. The one thing that I really do not like about Color Bar foundation is that it doesn't come in like very wide range of shades. It has I think like 4 to 5 shades. If you fall in between these shades, then you can please try these ones out. I'm wearing this one today in this video. I thought, if I'm doing like a beginner's makeup, then might as well wear these makeup products. This is not a full coverage foundation, but if you blend it nicely and if you use the adequate amount of product, it can give an effect of like a full coverage foundation. I'm sure you can't tell that this is not a full coverage foundation when I'm wearing it on my face right now, because I've blended it nicely and I've not used any concealer. I've not set it up with any loose powder. It is just this foundation that I'm wearing in this video. I think this is my third bottle of this foundation and my mom's hers is also third. So we have got like 6 of these Colorbar foundations. So had it not been this good, I would not have bought so many of these. Next up we have is everybody's favorite. Everybody, like literally, if you're starting out of with makeup or if you've been a PhD in makeup, then everybody loves this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I think this is the best one. I think this is my 5th or 6th bottle of it. One really bad thing about this product is that it finishes off so quickly. Like one use, I'll twist this up and it will go like this. I've only shot like, I'm just 3 videos old, right? And I've like worn it I think 5 times. And see, this much is already gone. I'm in the shade medium and I do prefer my concealers to be a little on the lighter side than my foundations because it just brightens up your face and brightens up your high points like these and under eyes. Why not? Like who doesn't have dark circles? Next up we have is a loose powder which is the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. I do not have it with me right now, but because I've used it, I've tried and tested it, I can assure you that that product is really nice to give a matte effect to your base. What I use is this MAC Studio Fix, but this costs I think like 3000 rupees, which is not affordable at all and which should not be in the beginner's makeup kit. But because I already have this one right here, so I do not feel any necessity of using another compact powder or a loose powder. I use MAC Studio Fix, but you can also try the Fit Me loose powder. I've heard so many good things about it. My bangs are like totally all over the place by this time of this video. I've also used it a couple of times, so I think I can have my opinion on that. If you want, you can go with Fit Me loose powder, and with this your base is done. So these are the steps which I tend to prefer while doing my makeup. I just finish off with my base first and then just quickly move on to my brows. And for my brows, I use this really amazing Innisfree eyebrow pencil. I use this shade Natural Black, and I love doing brows. For some reason, I just love doing brows. It is so satisfying. It's so therapeutic to do brows. It is not very pigmented, which is also a really nice thing, because if you're choosing a black shade for your eyebrows, it do tend to, like, show up and give like those Ravan brows, and I'm sure you don't want that. So this is how it looks like. This kind of shape of this eyebrow pencil really makes it very easy to move over your brows and give it a really nice arch. And not only that, it also comes with this spoolie on the other side, so that you can merge your product into your brows. I think for 400 rupees, it's a total worth it. So after I'm done with my brows, I quickly move over to the kajal. So what I prefer is I wear white kajal because I have these because I have these very short eyes. If you're wearing a white kajal, आपकी आंखें बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी लगती हैं. Whereas if you're wearing a black kajal, थोड़ी सी आंखें छोटी लगती हैं. Please wear a white kajal. It just really enhances your lower eyelid and just makes your eyes pop out really nicely. But if you really do want to try a black kajal, like the kajal, what we have been taught all through our lives, so I would prefer this Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal, but I've used it so less that I've only used like just a tiny bit amount of this product. I'm also wearing this black kajal on my upper eyelid as an eyeliner today to just give like a blurry and a smoky eye effect. I just wore this kajal. My bangs are like totally all over the place. If you're looking for a kajal, then I think you should go with this one. Moving on, we have a pretty flushed satin blush right here with us. This is my favorite blush. I don't think I can ever get enough of this blush. Such a pretty packaging and such a pretty flushed satin color just gives your cheeks that natural blush effect. This is the right amount of pigment that you need for your cheeks. If you really want those plump cheeks, like really cheeky cheeks, then you can just build it up as much as you like. It just makes my cheeks look perfect. If you could take like only one product from this video, then I would recommend just please buy this blush and you'll thank me. I do not have my highlighter with me right now. I've ordered some of the products from Nykaa and the highlighter is one of them, and it has not reached me yet. But I know that I love that product. I've used it so many times, and that one is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. I totally love that highlighter. I have like two other highlighters as well with me. One is in the like a peachy pink, like a light pink color, and one is like the silver color. But no, just the Maybelline Master Chrome is the perfect one. If you really want to see the other two that I have with me right now, then one is this sugar highlighter. If you can just see this, it has so much of fallout. I would never recommend like sugar products to you guys. I totally do not like sugar products. First of all, their packaging is so flimsy. Like, this is just a cardboard. This is just a paper. More so because all the sugar products that I have tried, I have never loved their products. It just did not work out for me, and I do believe in giving honest opinions. So I cannot fake it with you guys or with anybody else when it comes to makeup, because I really do take makeup very seriously. Even if I have to like really show you this in color baking highlighter, a lot of people have already talked about this on YouTube and various other platforms. This is a nice one. If you really want a highlighter in like 400 rupees, you can have this one, whereas the Maybelline highlighter is for like 500 rupees. But I would say that it does leave some flakes here and there, and you can literally see that you're wearing something on your face. Next product we have is this Color Bar eyeliner. It is a liquid eyeliner. I was never a fan of liquid eyeliners until the lady in the color bar store, she tried this on me and she suggested this one. This stays quite long for like the whole day. It's not waterproof, and I really do not like waterproof products because at the end of the day it is a task to remove makeup from your face. I have one product which is waterproof, and I only I know what hustle it is to remove it. Next up we have is this L'Oreal Lash Paradise Voluminous Mascara. This mascara is waterproof, and this was the exact same product I was talking about in the last snippet where I said that I really do not like waterproof makeup products because firstly it's a mascara and it's waterproof. So I can't really like do this with my eyelashes to take it off. Such a pain to like remove this mascara, but it's equally nice, it's equally voluminous. If you're looking for a mascara that will elongate your lashes, this is not necessarily for that, but it will give your eyelashes the volume that it needs. If you want elongated lashes, I would suggest please curl your eyelashes with an eyelash curler, and then that would be much better. This is totally worth it and totally worth the hype. Next up we have is another product from L'Oreal, which is their makeup extender setting spray. I'm totally impressed with this setting spray. I never thought I will find the perfect setting spray for myself. I have tried so many. I've tried NYX, I've tried Wet n Wild, I've tried the Color Bar one, and I've tried this one. I thought अगर मुझे कुछ नहीं मिलेगा under 1000 range, I will just go and buy the MAC makeup fixer. It totally does the job. Now we are on to the last product, which is a lipstick or lipsticks. Is this pretty pink color like the one I'm wearing right now. It is not this one, but the color tone is the same. And the other one is the nude shade, and I totally love both these lipsticks. I really love the Cinnamon Crunch a little more because this is the exact nude I always wanted. I always try the Nykaa minis first. These are for 200 each. So if I really like the product, the shade of the lipstick, then I'll go and buy the 400 one, like the bigger pack. So you can also do the same. Just start off with the 200 wala Nykaa minis, and Nykaa minis have so many different shade options to choose from. Totally worth it to spend 200 rupees on a lipstick which is this good quality. That's it for our beginners makeup kit. I'm sure you're wondering why have I not mentioned any eyeshadow palette. I have not found any eyeshadow palette under 1000 rupees. The eyeshadow palettes that I've ever loved are the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes, and they are no way affordable. However, what you can do for your eye, which is what I do for my eye. If I want to go matte on my eyes, use the blush and I'll take this pink shade on my eyes. So this perfectly does the job of eyeshadow for me. At times on days like when I'm in a hurry or I just have like a 5 minutes to do my makeup, I just take some blush and put it on my eyes. And if I want some glittery effect, I'll just take highlighter because highlighter is like very glittery. Eyeshadow part is also done. So now I think we have covered all the products and we have reached the end of this video. I hope you guys like this video. Do let me know if you go over and buy any of these products on my recommendations. So if you like this video, you already know the drill. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye!